Decluttering for 365 Days, Insights and Transformations. At All Things Simple, we have embraced minimalism. We have parted with over 85% of our belongings without regret. Our decluttering journey for 365 consecutive days has taught us invaluable lessons, and today we want to share the benefits of this transformative process. Number 1. Stress and anxiety reduction. Decluttering is more than just tidying up. It significantly reduces stress and anxiety. This process helps us distinguish between what we can control and what we cannot. By organizing our physical space, we regain a sense of control over our environment, thereby reducing mental stress. 2. Easier home maintenance. A minimalist home is simpler to clean. With fewer items cluttering our space, the focus shifts from organizing to actual cleaning, making the process more efficient and enjoyable. Our home now returns to order more frequently, making daily maintenance a breeze. 3. Enhanced productivity and focus. Clutter can be a major distraction, impacting our ability to concentrate. By decluttering, we create a more focused environment, leading to increased productivity. This newfound clarity helps us tackle tasks with greater motivation and energy. 4. A shift in perspective. Committing to daily decluttering fosters a significant mindset shift. We start viewing possessions as tools meant to enhance our lives, not as burdens to manage. This change in perspective makes it easier to part with items that no longer serve us. 5. Improved decision-making, confidence. Regular decluttering strengthens our decision-making skills. Initially, it may be challenging to decide what to keep or discard, but over time, this practice boosts our confidence, empowering us in other areas of life as well. 6. Creating breathing room. Decluttering frees up not just physical space, but also mental and emotional bandwidth. By eliminating unnecessary items, we create room to focus on what truly matters, reducing the carrying cost of unnecessary possessions. 7. An empowering sense of progress. Sticking to a decluttering routine builds self-trust and confidence. By consistently following through on this commitment, we experience a rewarding sense of achievement, witnessing the fruits of our labor. Conclusion. Decluttering daily has brought profound positive changes to everyday life, enhancing family roles and friendships. We invite you to join this journey, as it offers disproportionate rewards, improving every facet of life. Thank you for your support and for joining us on this path to a simpler, more fulfilling life. Be sure to check out related videos for further inspiration. Have a wonderful day. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.